Hey guys, we just got to location. We're waiting for the studio owner to let us in. We're about to shoot something really dope. I'm excited for it. I'm talking about Liberty spikes, grungy, you know, a mix of the things we really love. And always we got a dope team on deck. We got a really cool talent coming in. And yeah, like I said, it's a studio, you know. I think most of my stuff is on location, so let's see. It's something, I mean, not new obviously, but let's have some fun with it. I think these are great tones and colors will match the outfit to this, and I think this will be a good spot for the outdoor location.